Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, how to turn on AC. Any type of AC you can turn on easily by following this channel. So friends, to turn on you just need to take your remote. Here's the remote and just press on it in this way, and here your air conditioner will turn on easily. And if you want to know how to control the mode, then here it's written the mode. You just need to change the mode. Here it will set the dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, or the auto mode, and here is the cool mode. So which do you want to select? You can select. You can even adjust the temperature by just tapping the upside down. Here's the sleep mode, on off, the timer mode, and silent mode, filter mode, and the fan upside down. These options. Here it is super cool mode, and this is the fan. If you want to just play the fan, you can even adjust play the fan if you want to use only the fan. So friends, this is how you can control the AC or turn on the AC, any type of AC on your home. And friends, if you love the video, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.